How to withdraw TikTok Paylater. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to withdraw TikTok Paylater. First, go to the TikTok app on your phone. Next, tap the Profile tab at the bottom bar. Now, tap the three bars at the top right corner of the screen. Select the Settings and Privacy option. Go to Balance and swipe through the features by tapping Next. Tap the Get Started button and you can view the balance. Then tap Get Coins to buy more coins and recharge. After that, go to Live Rewards and you can now withdraw coins. Make sure to have some balance in your account. Now, select the payment method you want and follow the prompts to add your account. Also, go live on TikTok to collect some more rewards. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.